I bought and tested these top 5 electric bidet toilet seats so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Trust me, I've been on this journey of finding the perfect bathroom upgrade, and I want to share my honest experiences with you. Product number 1. BioBidet BB2000 Bliss. When I first sat on the BioBidet BB2000 Bliss, it felt like I had been transported to a luxurious spa. The heated seat welcomed me with a gentle warmth that was simply divine. The warmth enveloped me while the soothing nightlight cast a calming glow throughout the bathroom. I couldn't help but feel pampered as I navigated the wireless remote control, adjusting the water pressure and temperature to my liking. The endless supply of warm water was a game changer. I could wash away the day's stresses without worrying about running out. Afterward, the built-in air dryer left me feeling fresh and clean, eliminating the need for toilet paper entirely. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While the installation was straightforward and took just minutes, the price is on the higher end, which might be a hurdle for some. The BioBidet BB2000 is also a bit bulkier than some other models, so it may not fit perfectly on every toilet. Why buy this bidet? If you're looking for the ultimate in bathroom luxury and hygiene, the BioBidet BB2000 is worth the investment. It's particularly beneficial for those who want to enhance their daily routine with a touch of comfort and cleanliness. With its premium features and intuitive design, it's been recognized as one of the best bidets on the market. Investing in this bidet not only elevates your bathroom experience, but also promotes a more hygienic lifestyle. Product number 2. Toto Washlet S5. The Toto Washlet S5 caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive features. As I settled onto this modern throne, I was immediately struck by the soft, heated seat that enveloped me in warmth. The instant warm water feature is a revelation. It's like having a personal spa experience every time you visit the bathroom. What impressed me more was the pre-mist feature that mists the toilet bowl before each use, making cleaning a breeze. The pulsating and oscillating spray options provided a refreshing cleanse, customizable to my preferences. On the flip side, the Toto Washlet S5 comes at a premium price point, which might deter some buyers. The controls can be confusing at first, requiring some time to get used to. Why buy the Toto Washlet S5? If you're seeking a bidet that combines innovation with luxury, this is the one for you. The advanced features ensure a thoroughly hygienic experience while adding a modern touch to your bathroom. Plus, it's perfect for anyone who values comfort and cleanliness in their daily routine. Product number 3. Levi Electric Bidet. The Levi Electric Bidet offers a great balance between quality and affordability. As I unboxed it, I was pleasantly surprised by its sleek design and user-friendly features. The remote control made it easy to adjust the water temperature and pressure, allowing me to customize my wash experience. The dual nozzle system was a nice touch, providing a thorough clean for both front and back washing. However, I did notice that the water pressure, while generally good, could be stronger for those who prefer a more intense wash. The installation process was straightforward, but I did require assistance for a perfect fit. Why buy the Levi Electric Bidet? It's an excellent option for families looking for an affordable bidet that doesn't skimp on features. With its adjustable settings and dual control system, it caters to everyone, including the elderly and pregnant individuals. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Product number 4. Smart Bidet SB1000WE. The Smart Bidet SB1000WE is a solid entry into the world of electric bidets. I was impressed by its easy installation and user-friendly remote control. As I tested it, the adjustable water temperature and pressure offered a personalized wash experience that left me feeling clean and refreshed. The warm air dryer was a nice feature, eliminating the need for toilet paper, though I found I still preferred a quick dab with some tissue just for good measure. On the downside, I noted that it lacked some of the more advanced features found in pricier models, like a self-cleaning nozzle or a nightlight. The design could also be more modern. Why buy the Smart Bidet SB1000WE? If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable bidet without breaking the bank, this is a great choice. It covers all the essentials and provides a refreshing experience without overwhelming you with unnecessary bells and whistles. Product number 5. LED Bidet Seat. The LED bidet seat was a pleasant surprise in terms of quality and functionality. Right out of the box, it felt sturdy and well built. The instant warm water feature was a standout. I loved not having to wait for the water to heat up. The adjustable angle and pressure settings allowed for a customized clean, catering to my comfort. The self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle added a layer of hygiene, which I appreciated. However, I found the installation to be slightly more complicated than I expected, requiring a bit of trial and error. The design, while functional, could benefit from a more modern aesthetic. Why buy the LED bidet seat? It's an excellent option if you're looking for a budget-friendly bidet that doesn't compromise on features. With its ergonomic design and various cleaning modes, it's perfect for anyone seeking comfort and hygiene without a hefty price tag.
In conclusion, each of these electric bidet toilet seats offers unique features catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you're after luxury or affordability, there's a bidet here for you. Upgrade your bathroom experience today and enjoy the comfort and cleanliness of a bidet.